Hi, my name's Olivia and I can do magic.
Hi, I'm Chloe. So today, well, we have another surprise, and this time an even bigger surprise and thanks from Mattel and to Mattel, because this one is even bigger and better. It's amazing, just like the other one. Are you excited? Are you excited to see what it is? It's a big one. So we have got this Polly Pocket Party Unicorn, and it has 25 surprises.
Yeah, and we can actually open them.
This is so cool.
Let's open it, Chloe.
Should we start?
Yeah.
So this
It
one
looks so giant.
has places that you can open at the side, a bit like cereal boxes.
Yeah, but not really cereal boxes. They're actually...
Yeah, they're not cereal boxes, but it's still super cool.
still super
And
cool.
how much fun did we have yesterday with the other one?
Really fun. You know what it was? It was a bell. So cool.
Here is the unicorn. I don't know if we need scissors for this one.
I think we do.
Oh, she's got wings! This is so cool! This is really hard to get out.
We need help.
And don't look past it. We're gonna try and get her out this way. So this is the unicorn. She's got wings on both sides. She's really cute. And she has 25 surprises inside of her. So the bottom is connected with tape. So we're going to open that, aren't we?
Yeah, and then we're going to see the surprise.
The tape and let's see the amazing surprises. So this is open. Now we are going to open her up. Hang on. Oh my God! There's so much in here. This is awesome. The surprise is everywhere. They're all hidden. Shall we get out all of the surprises first?
Yes.
And then start opening them? What's in here? What's all this? She's got stuff inside of her head. There's loads in there. So there is this. It's like a necklace thing. So I wonder if there's some sort of charm in here.
I found one.
Yeah.
This one's really good.
So we're not going to start yet, are we?
Look at this, Chloe.
Yeah.
A unicorn! Let's try and
Oh
find
my
all of them.
God, this is so...
Look at that!
There
It's
is a
actually
mini house inside the castle.
Look at this, Chloe.
But we need to get out everything that is inside of her head. So, should we start getting those out?
Ooh, a rainbow.
A cute rainbow.
Give us a huge thumbs
Ooh,
up if you know.
it's like a
if we...
spinny thing that I think they
Chloe,
can
there's
go on.
confetti.
So there is nothing left inside of her head.
Yeah, that's
And I think we have found all of the surprises.
So
This
that'll be
is awesome. So we're just going to close her up.
And then we're going to open these up.
And we're just going to leave her there. Because
Because
she's so cool. And before we open them, should we check we have all the surprises?
1, 2,
So we have
3,
1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
17.
I don't know if there's any more.
Come
They
on,
probably
let's
is
open
somewhere, but we'll manage to find them later.
Let's open them.
So, let's get opening. First one's open. What could it be? It's 2 mini cups. 2 cute mini cups. There's a pink and a purple. So, this is your favourite colours, isn't it?
But I can't do it.
So, we've got these. Olivia, can you see there? There's a dip. You just got to pull.
Okay.
You got to pull that.
Ooh.
What have you got?
I got a person. I got a person.
We both got people.
We both got
I think these are the Polly Pockets.
Yeah,
So
those are the Polly Pockets.
wait, these aren't cups.
These are
They're
scary.
dresses.
Where's
That's
the
really
dress?
cool. Oh wow, this is so cool. Thank you so much, Mattel. This is amazing.
We can actually go
We
there.
love it. We love this so
Chloe.
much. Oh yeah, they can go to the unicorn. Anyway, let's get opening more surprises,
Chloe.
shall we?
It opens.
Oh yeah. Should we open more?
Yeah.
Let's open more. Let's see what fun surprises we get next time.
I opened it. It's a little carrier.
Wow.
It's a carrier, guys.
I think I know what this is for.
Wait, I got a horsey as well. I got a unicorn. I got a pink unicorn. It's the same as baby.
Let's move the unicorn there. So, more.
Let's open this
Should we open more?
one. Yeah.
So what we're gonna get in?
I got something. Chloe, I got this.
What's that?
It's a lolly.
Oh, it is. So here's a cute lolly and a dragon.
Look what I got, Chloe. I got all of them.
dragons.
I've got all of them. I've got all of them. And
What?
I got...
Oh, what did you launch at me? What did you launch over to me? I think that was just confetti.
Chloe, look. I got a little crown as well.
Yes.
I got a crown, guys, and a unicorn headband.
This is a big one. This one's very big. So
Chloe, I
3.
don't have any more.
And is that one? Oh, there's no more. Should we open it at the same time?
No, I don't want it on my own.
Alright. What is it? It's a swan.
Let's see what goes.
So have we opened all of the surprises? Yes, I think we have. It came with cute stickers too. So, how are you supposed to open this? It's supposed to go, woo! Oh, still confetti in there.
So let's start playing.
Should we start? Should we see where everything goes? So, the unicorn.
This is the unicorn, but what
The
does that
unicorn.
do?
That? Well, I'm sure we'll find out. Hang on. Oh, yep, I have no clue what that does. So, should we have it like this?
Maybe, yeah.
So, the first thing we should talk about, I think, is this really cute castle
Do we have any
for
more?
the people. Olivia, where have you put the... Here she is. So, we're going to test it out.
Wait, Chloe, we got a ring! We got a ring!
We got a ring!
That's a surprise!
Oh, we haven't seen this yet. What is it? It's like a wheelchair thing that they can sit in. So this is awesome. They can have a little tea party in there, or they can hide in here. They can hide in there, which is really cute.
And you can
And look at the little star, the sun. That's really cute.
Chloe, let's get playing.
A horsey stable. Could that be where the unicorn goes?
Maybe.
Let's put the unicorn in there. This is so cute. Should we move on to the other side? Let's move on to the other side. So the next side is down at the bottom here. Now there are all these twisty things. Olivia, there's nothing left in there. So there's like little gift things that goes here.
Another unicorn.
Let's just leave that
Chloe.
for now.
There's two unicorns.
There's two unicorns. Where are you finding all those surprises?
Because I keep feeling in the bag.
So, this rainbow. Now, where could all this go? Maybe it just goes on the outside. No, it goes back on. So
let's get playing.
leave. So this is, I think, the best one we could possibly get from Mattel. This
But
really
thank
cute
you.
unicorn. We
Because-
love Mattel so much.
And look at this carrier.
Thank you so
Daddy,
much.
look at the carrier.
But before we finish, should we just quickly have a look at all this? So, take the girls out of their skirts. And we're going to place them in here. Now this is going to be cool if they actually stay. But wait, I've got one to stay. Could they stay? Is this going to work? Are these going to be cool? What are you doing? Anyway, so yeah, that's that spinny thing where they can spin around in. So, how much do we rate this out of 10?
8, 9 out of 5.
I don't think you understand rating. 89's your favourite number, isn't it? So now we have the seats. I rate this a 10, definitely.
Yeah.
And I wonder where the dragon goes. But we'll leave him there for now.
Okay, let's
So,
try and put them in the seat.
You review some stuff while I try and sort this out. Bye-bye.
Talk about some stuff, Ollie. Talk about all this. And look, guys, we can even do this with the persons. But it can actually spin. And then we have these little unicorns.
So I think what this is a necklace where you can hang them on the chair and wear them. So that's really cute. And then there is also something else, this,
But that's
that you can put on. So if you have different play sets, you can add all of the others. So this is really good. This is awesome.
Just for some
They are
fun.
instructions.
Let me do this.
So, yeah, we love this and thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget, if in doubt, check us out.